What's going on, credit snipers? It's your boy Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I'm bringing to you 5 tricks that I want to give you in order for you to increase your credit score in the next 24 hours. Now stay tuned. Now guys, welcome back. Hey, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega, and this is the best credit blueprint, guys. We got the blueprint in order to help you develop and create your own blueprint. Now guys, if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Why we want you to subscribe? Because we want you to make sure that you don't miss anything. Click on that bell icon. Make sure that you click on all. Like that, you'll be notified every single day when we come up with new content. Now guys, like and share. If you like what we have to talk about today, refer to a friend, refer to a family member. This is free information that we want to help you out. At the end of this video, you'll see that I'm going to post a special link that will give you what we call the Remastered Secrets Lenders List. This list is going to give you the credit score that you need, the actual creditor, what is the requirements, and approximately how much you'll get with your credit score for lending in the United States. Guys, this is a free gift that we give from us, for our company, the best credit blueprint, to you. I hope you like it. It's a free gift, guys. Just take it. Now, at the end of this, guys, I need you to please go ahead and give me the thumbs up. Why I want you to give me the thumbs up? Because I want to be able not only to reach you, but to reach many others. And by you doing that, by us coming to you, bringing value to you, we want to go ahead and reach more and more people. And the only way that YouTube is going to allow us to do that is by you give us the little hand or the little thumb in this case. All right, guys, so we're here to find out the 5 tricks in order to improve your credit score. Now, number 1, the first thing that we need to do is start removing negatives. How do we do that, guys? I need you to learn and go to your credit report. If you don't know what a credit report is, so that's what we're here, and we are so happy to teach you. Now, in the bottom of this video, there's going to be a link for what we call My Score IQ. It is a link that will give you a 7-day trial, free 7-day trial. Get your score, check it out. If you like it, keep it. If not, then also cancel it. But get it. I need you to start learning. I need you to start going through your credit report and find out if you have any negatives. And if so, we have, check out our video too that shows you how to remove the negatives from your credit report. That's one of the biggest things and main things, because 75% of the information that we have in a credit report sometimes is inaccurate. So guys, don't be one of the statistics. I need you to learn. I need you to actually check your credit report on the daily basis. That's something that you should do. 2 things that you should check every morning: credit report and your bank account. Don't let anyone mess with your money. Now guys, adding positives. That's number 2. How do we add positives? Now, did you know that if you rent, if you have a cable bill, if you have a phone bill, or if you have any type of bill, you can add it to your credit report, and that will boost your credit report. Now, as long as you actually paying on time. That's what we call an Experian. Experian has it so good. It's called the Experian Boost. This will allow you to increase your score. Hey guys, anything between 5 to, we've seen one of our clients to actually get 37 points just by adding a Verizon bill and a Con Edison bill that he had for over 20 years. Now guys, also, if you pay rent, there's something called rent reporters, and also rent karma. So rent karma will actually help you out and report your rent that you've been paying on time to the credit bureau. So guys, I mean, this little things right there that we all do on a single day basis. We all have this. We all have a phone. We all have rent or a home loan, and this can be reporting to your credit report and improving or boosting your credit score. Now, number 3, add trade lines. What are trade lines? No, trade lines is any type of line of credit that you have out there. It could be a home loan, it could be a house, or it could be a vehicle loan. But in this case, what we want to talk about is trade lines when it comes to credit card. So Tradeline, in other words, too, is an authorized user, meaning that you'll be piggybacking on somebody else's credit card account. Now, stay away from Discover and American Express. Why is this? These two companies do not report authorized user. Anything else is a free-for-all. Guys, if you have a mom, friend, brother, sister, or if you are interested in getting trade lines and don't have anyone that can help you out, we could also help you at a 75% discount that our brand offers to our clients. Now, make sure that when you use trade lines, let me say this third time. Make sure that when you use trade lines, meaning somebody else's account, make sure that this account is on time. They have no late payments. Because if they have something derogatory, it is going to piggyback on your credit report, and instead of helping you, it will affect your credit report overall. Now, another thing is the credit utilization. Now, we see so many things out there, and people say that you should be using 20 or 30. You know what? The magic number here is 2%. For example, when I'm talking about credit utilization, let's just say that you have a credit card of $100. $100. Let's say for conversation's sake, 2% of $100 would be $2. So your goal is to have an overall revolving credit line monthly of $2. Never bring your credit card down to zero, because that will become a dormant account. It is not reporting, and it will not help not only your credit, but it will not show your creditors or potential creditors that you are able to keep an account and pay an account on time. So I know that they say 10, 20, even 30%. Look, don't try to go more than a 30%, because you're definitely gonna find yourself in hot waters. But the magic number here, it is 2%, so try to keep it at that. All right? Now, one last thing, number 5, it is closing date versus due dates. Now, this is two different things. If you see your credit card statements, they always have a due date. And for the most part, a due date will be after the closing date. Now, what is the closing date? The closing date, it is the date that the credit card statement closes, and that's when they report to the credit bureau. So an example, if you have a $100 credit card and you put $50 there this month, and you'll say, okay, look, I'm getting paid on the 15th and the due date is on the 16th, so I'm gonna pay the $50, or in this case, you wanna keep it at a 2%, so I'm gonna pay $48 on the 15th because it's due on the 16th. But the closing date was on the 10th. Guess what? Now your credit card is at a 50% utilization, and it was reported on the 10th to the credit bureau at a 50% utilization. That affects you there, instead of you actually have done it because your intent was getting paid on the 15th and paying $48 to keep it at a 2%. Yes, that is all good and great, but it won't report until the next month, which is the closing statement day is on the 10th. So that affects you like that, guys. Keep in mind, you always want to keep at a 2%, and you always want to pay before the statement closing date and not the due date. Now, guys, I hope this helped you. Use them. Now, if you want help from us, you know that we are the best credit blueprint. We can help you build your own blueprint from A to C in order for you to become one of those credit snipers. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Do not forget to go ahead and subscribe. Do not forget to like and share. Click on that bell icon and click on all so that you'll be notified every time that we post some new content. But best of all, give us a thumbs up so like that the YouTube gods help us out to reach more and more people and bring the good word on credit. Now remember, the money talks, but credit holds conversation. Guys, I'll see you in the next video.